What's going on? What's going on? Y'all see me by myself and all that. I just woke up, brushed my teeth, washed my face. Man, about to work out, then hop in the shower. Y'all can see me. Hopefully the camera good. Cut this truck off, it's too loud. Cut this truck off, it's too loud. Yeah, but right now I'm dealing with this GoPro. This GoPro crazy. This GoPro crazy, bro. GoPro, what's up, GoPro? This GoPro be giving me problems. You gotta have, well, basically, with this GoPro, man, my camera a little old. I bought it off somebody. I should have just bought a brand new camera, but being as though my MacBook, my laptop a little old, I can't. This is high quality. This is like 4K. This little camera is really high quality. It's 4K, so I can't upload my content on my laptop, man. Basically, it's too powerful for my laptop. It's crazy, right? But I gotta do what I gotta do. Where I'm at right now? Let me see. I'm at a truck stop for sure, but I am in Indiana State, a couple miles from Chicago, and I'm going to Ohio. Yep, I'm going to Ohio to deliver a load, but I ain't gotta be there till Monday, so I could take my time. Last night I was out, I'm on a highway on a like this, trying not to stop. And then I had to realize I had to look at my schedule and say, oh snap, I'm going hard for nothing. It's closed. They don't open till Monday, so I ain't worrying about it. But in my perfect world, it was for me to drop on the weekend and then leave back out on the weekend. But it is what it is. I charge it to the game. During lease purchase, man, everything on you. You control your own schedule. You do what you want to do. You take your breaks. Everything on you. So next time, I'm gonna stay away from them from the shippers that's closed on the weekend. I need 24/7 shippers at all times. That's where you make your money at. But I'm chilling right now. I'm about to make some content, post it on the social media, do what I gotta do. Lease purchase cool, man. I mean, so far so good. I don't know. I didn't even get my first paycheck yet. I don't know. I like the fact that I like the fact that I got responsibilities. You get what I'm saying? That I'm held accountable for my actions. I got the freedom to actually, do what I want. I could go home right now, but as a business, bills still gotta get paid. So, if the wheels ain't turning, you ain't earning. So, I just gotta sit down and figure it out. But I'm happy that I'm an independent contractor. Let's just say that. I feel good. But we'll see what them numbers be like. I gotta get my hair retwisted, man. This thing looking bad. Yeah, but that's it for now. I don't know what else to talk about. Peace. I'm out of here.